In this video, we're going to go over how to disable automatic work plan creation and transfer to equipment. So starting out, go to the Ops Center where your machine is located, whether it be a customer's. In this case, we're using Heritage Tractor. Navigate to the upper right, hit on the little gear icon next to the organization name, organization preferences. Up at the top here, go to Feature Enablement. And on the left, we can go to Work Plan Automation or scroll to the bottom. As you can see, by default, automatic work plan generation is turned on is enabled for harvest, as is automatically sending work plans for harvest. To turn them off, just simply click on it and toggle them off, and it will not automatically send work plans to the machines.